What if I told you that one of the biggest secrets to amazing skin, a rock-solid immune system, and a happy heart is hiding in a tiny golden berry from the Himalayas? Seriously, we're talking about a plant so legendary, its story is epic. This is sea buckthorn, and we're about to dive into all its secrets. You heard that right. This isn't just some health trend. This is the stuff that literally powered one of the most legendary empires in history. Just imagine what a little bit of that power could do for you when you're facing a crazy deadline, a tough workout, or, just a Monday. Hey everyone, and welcome. In today's deep dive, we're uncovering the secrets of a total powerhouse plant with a wild reputation, sea buckthorn. So get comfy, because you are about to have your mind blown by the actual science behind this Himalayan wonder. All right, first up, let's do a little time traveling. Because to really get why sea buckthorn is making such a huge comeback, you have to understand its history. Trust me, this is no overnight wellness fad. This is ancient wisdom, totally rediscovered for today. Okay, so this plant has some serious street cred. In India, it's known as the modern Sanjivan Booty, that mythical herb that could bring people back to life. Even the ancient Greeks were onto it. They called it Hippophae, which means shiny horse, because they noticed their horses' coats got ridiculously glossy after eating it. It pops up in 8th century Tibetan medical books and has been a go-to in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for, forever. And in Ladakh, local Amchi doctors have been using it for centuries. See, this is way more than just a plant. It's a living legend. So what is it? What's the secret sauce that gives this berry its power? What did Genghis Khan, those ancient healers, and yeah, even those shiny Greek horses know that we're only just catching up on? Well, the answer, my friends, is all in the biology. Okay, let's switch gears and put on our lab coats for a second, because this legend is backed up by some seriously solid science. We're going to peel back the layers and see what makes this Himalayan wonder tick. And this is where it gets really, really cool. 200. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's how many bioactive compounds scientists have found in sea buckthorn. Not 10, not 50, nearly 200. We're talking vitamins, antioxidants, fatty acids, flavonoids, the whole shebang. It's like a symphony of nutrients, all working together in perfect harmony. This is where the magic comes from. So let's talk vitamin C. We all think orange for a quick boost, right? Well, get a load of this. Sea buckthorn has about 15 times more vitamin C than an orange. And here's the kicker. The berries don't have the enzyme that usually breaks down vitamin C. So every bit you get is pure, stable, and super potent. Insane, right? Now, have you ever heard of omega-7? Probably not. And that's because it's incredibly rare, especially in plants. Well, sea buckthorn is one of the richest sources on the planet. This fatty acid is literally a building block for your skin. Think of it like the ultimate moisturizer from the inside out. It helps your skin regenerate and heal itself. And this is just pure genius from nature. The oil from the seeds, it has a perfect 1-to-1 ratio of omega-3 and omega-6. That is the ideal balance our bodies crave to regulate, everything, from brain health to fighting off inflammation. It's not just about getting these nutrients, it's about getting them in that perfect, harmonious balance. I mean, the science is pretty convincing, isn't it? If you're curious and want to feel these benefits for yourself, supplements like Wellwith Sea Buckthorn are designed to capture all this natural goodness. We've dropped a link in the description if you want to check them out. Okay, so we've done history, we've done science, but let's get to the real question. What's in it for you? What does this actually mean for your health, your energy, your skin? Let's break down exactly what this little berry can do for your life. First things first, the glow up. Sea buckthorn is basically your skin's new best friend. It's packed with antioxidants that fight off the stuff that causes aging. It helps protect your skin from sun damage. And that amazing omega-7 we talked about, it gets to work regenerating your skin cells, helping to reduce wrinkles and heal wounds. It's no surprise it's a star ingredient in so many fancy cosmetics. Next, think of it as your own personal bodyguard. It's an immunomodulator, which is just a fancy way of saying it helps balance and strengthen your immune system. Its natural compounds help calm inflammation, and it even has antibacterial and antiviral properties to help you fight off all the nasty bugs. It's basically your daily defense shield. And hey, let's not forget your heart. Your heart will absolutely love this stuff. Studies show that sea buckthorn can help reduce major risk factors for heart issues. We're talking lowering bad cholesterol, helping with blood pressure, and just generally improving your circulation. A happy heart is a happy you, right?
So clearly, it's amazing for our bodies. But the story actually gets even better. The impact of this little berry goes way beyond just us. This is a plant that actually helps heal the planet and empower entire communities. How cool is that?
In the super tough, fragile environment of the Himalayas, this plant is a true ecological hero. It's a pioneer species that literally pulls nitrogen from the air and puts it back into the ground, making barren soil fertile again. It barely needs any water, and its crazy root system literally holds the earth together, stopping soil erosion. It doesn't just survive there, it helps everything around it thrive. And that healing power helps the local economy too. It's estimated that planned cultivation in Ladakh could bring in almost 500 crore rupees a year for local communities. That's real, sustainable development. It's so important that in 2023, Ladakh Sea Buckthorn was even given a GI tag, protecting its unique quality and origin. So, there you have it. We've gone from ancient battlefields to modern labs, from our own personal health all the way to healing the planet. Now, it's time to bring all this amazingness into our own daily lives. I mean, this really says it all, doesn't it? Sea buckthorn has this epic, legendary past, a present that's totally proven by science, and it offers a healthier future, not just for you, but for the planet and the people who grow it. If you're ready to experience this Himalayan wonder for yourself, the folks at the Sea Buckthorn store have made it super easy. Just head over to www.seabuckthorn.in to get your Wellwith Sea Buckthorn supplements. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to make a legend a part of your daily routine? Thank you so much for hanging out with me and diving deep into this incredible plant. If you had fun and learned something cool, make sure you subscribe, follow, and share so you don't miss out on our next adventure into wellness secrets. See you next time.